Okay, so today we are going to use the restore points that we created the last time to restore our system. Let's get onto the desktop. If you haven't seen the tutorial on how to set or create the restore points, please check the link in the description and watch that video before you continue with this one. So we move on to our desktop. We open the search bar and then type in system restore. Just click on create a restore point for your system. The last time what we did was use this create a restore point right now for the drives that have system protection turned on, and we created a restore point. Today what we are going to do is to use that restore point to restore our system. Once you get the system properties, you have a system restore, and then it says you can undo system changes by reverting your computer to a previous restore point. Now let's click on system restore. So once you click on the system restore, it gives you another menu. It says restore system files and settings. And that's exactly what we are going to do. We click on next, and then we get the list of the restore points that we have created on our system. So what we are going to do is select the restore points that we created the last time, and this is it right here, and then click next. Once you select the restore point and you click next, it tells you to confirm your restore point. So now we are going to confirm our restore point by clicking finish over here, and then it gives you a caution menu. It says once started, system restore cannot be interrupted. Do you want to continue? So what you do is click on yes to continue with the system restore, and then it will run the system restore program, and then it will finally tell you the system restore was successful. And what you have just done is you have just taken your computer system files back to a previous good working version. Please hit the subscribe button, share the video, it might help someone, and please make sure to get interactive. Ask questions in the comment section. I will leave my email address in the description.